Quick release buckles attached. Fits most fins. Fits most fins. Fits your feet automatically. One of the best-selling items in Scuba Choice. This item features everything you need to get started, regardless if you're a beginner or expert. Top reviews from the United States. Fit on a pair of 27-year-old fins. My husband was a Navy diver and we spent many years in Guam. He purchased US Diver Compro fins back in 1995 and used those daily. Fast forward to 2022, our son enlisted in the Navy and will be going to dive school. Before he attends dive school, he needed to train with fins. He broke out Dad's old fins, cleaned them up and attached the new straps, and they are like brand new. Fit perfectly and great price.